Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I had thought I had finished up with the bird feeder, but my buddy Jim down in Chile, he's got a YouTube channel, and he's raised up in the Spartanburg, South Carolina area, and that's where my mom's from. And he asked me to show a picture of this bird feeder in its full glory. So I've reattached some paracord to it and put these little eye hooks in it, and that kind of holds the top down. And I got some seeds in there. I scattered some on the ground for the doves. So we'll see what comes and eats out of here. I'm gonna raise these up just a little bit to get a better feed on them. I like the birds being able to, there we go. That's the kind of feed I like on them. They can get a plenty of seed out of them, don't have to fight it. Yeah, they eat more, I don't care. They're probably hungry. But this is what the feeder looks like. The top's just a little bit wonky, but that'll be all right. At least it won't be getting all that water in there and messing my seed up. I'll make me some soot for the top because it's getting wintertime. The bird's gonna need that little extra oomph to make it through. I just want to thank all y'all stopping by and listening to me and taking time out of your day to let me share my day with y'all. Share, comment, like, hit the subscribe button. Check out Jim's channel. There's a link in the description. And he's got a pretty good channel. He's in Chile now. He's a Chilean. But him and his family, they got a little slice of heaven going on down there. Thanks so much. God bless.